Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a video of how to draw, and that was a failed attempt, so I'm going to do it again. So, how I'm going to do it, okay? Straight line over here. I'm doing it one-handed because I can't really hold it and keep it in one place. So you put a straight line here, then you go down like a curve. And then what we're going to do is keep curving it into like that. So it's like that. Like a little bit of a gun pointing that way. But then you want to put it's like this. Like that. So then do that. And you want to go down like that. So then you go like that. So it's like that. And I added it on over here. My brother's so loud in my videos. So I'm going to try to go like that. Oh, I think this is probably one of the best helicopters I've done. And I'm not looking at anything like YouTube stuff, I'm just doing it as I go. That might have been too wide. Yeah, that might have been too wide. But okay, if you're doing it in pencil, I recommend you do it in pencil. So you can rub this bit out. Actually, wait, oh no, that won't work. Okay, now you want to do the blade bit for the back. Okay, you have steady hands for this. Okay, like that. Put like a little circle in the middle of it. We'll try like that. So then that's a bit finished. So then it supposedly looks like this. So it's round about the middle, and you put another little bit right next to it. So like this. And you do another one going like that. And you try to make it then like this. If you're using pencil, if you want to colour it in black, then you go like this, and leave it like that. But I'm doing it in black pen, so I can't rub it out. So looking good so far. And yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like. So then you want to kind of put like another little like curl like that, and go down and go curl again like that, like brackets basically. Then you want to do another bracket sign over here. Roughly about the same as that. And you want to join them up. So it's a bit like this. Then you want to do like some handlebars on the top, so you can hold on, and some things up here. And I'm going to do some seats. Actually, these are going to be seats. So you can like that, going along like that. Like it's kind of a 3D thing going on. Just like that, and then you're going to do the floor up the other side, and you do it. You've got another one over there behind it. And then you've got like these little handlebars going along here, so you can hold on to it. This is what it should look like so far. Okay, I'm going to do the little face for the Honey 26, I don't know what it's called. But it has a little face like that. Looks like a face, doesn't it? But it's not. And like you want that 3D thing going. That's what I'm gonna be doing anyway. And around about here underneath the drivers, and they have like a little gap, so you can see underneath them. Then you wanna like that, and go along like that till you reach there. Okay, then you want to do like little bars for where they put their feet. Like that. So it should be like that. So then you want to kind of, well, I just done that for the sake of it, but I'm going to put like a ladder going down here. Like this, just put 2 lines going like that, and draw some ladder steps. Really? That's how simple it is. And then if you're really good at art, you can just put like a person in there, or even make a minigun or something like that. I'm going to try to make a minigun. So when I'm like that, nope, I'm really bad. I'm just going to put it like that. So, looks like there's a gun on the other side. If you really want, you can like do some shading, like I'm gonna shade now. I'm gonna shade with another pencil, water pencil. So I'll be back when I found that. So I found myself a pencil right here. So I'm gonna do some shading. A little bit of shade. If you are going to colour in, you can go over it with like different kind of thing. Like normally they are green and like these type of aeroplanes, so you can go over in green on it. So there's that really. So you can either shade it, or you can either just paint over it, anything you want. But I've just done both for the sake of it. And if you do it in, what's it called? I forgot what it's called. These things, crayons. You can also, when the crayon, like you finished it, you can like put the pen over it, so it looks like you've shaded it with black pen or pencil. You can do both really. Oh. It's really aching doing this video. My hand. So skip to when I've done. So I've just finished the colouring, and this is what it looks like. And if you really want, you can put like some black shading. Like this. Should have done it first because I ran on my pencil, but yeah, or my pen even. Still work, yeah it does. And if you really want to be even to more detail, you can do some like hills and like make it land. Like this. And yeah, just got to colour that in instead. I can't be bothered to do it. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you'd like some more, please subscribe, and if you'd like more, like. If I get over 20 likes on this video, I'll do more of these kind of stuff. Okay, bye.